I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the ASUS stand and we're going to take a look at the new ProArt monitors. I've seen this new ProArt monitor you've got on the stand here, and this is beautiful. Can you tell us a bit about what this is?
Yes, we have this latest model with PS32UCX, and this monitor, the resolution will be UHD, 4K UHD, and we have peak luminance will reach 1200.
Wow,
that's so bright.
Yeah, that's very bright.
But possibly. Because we use mini LED technology as a backlight source, so we can divide the screen into many regions and control the backlight individually. So not only the brightness part, we have very dark the black level. The black level will reach 0.001 nits. So we have brilliant contrast in this monitor.
Yeah, I've noticed that the blacks do look really black on this. So this is a 32-inch monitor?
Yes, it's 32-inch.
Brilliant. And and it's 10-bit and it does HDR, but it does 3 different types of HDR, doesn't it?
This is a true 10-bit monitors and we support 3 HDR formats. The first one is HDR10, the second one is HDR-G, and the third one will be Dolby Vision. And this will be the worldwide first monitor who supports Dolby Vision.
Oh wow, brilliant. So what color profiles, I mean, if it's 10-bit, it's HDR, what's the support like for Adobe RGB and sRGB? Is it 100% on both?
Okay, yes. We support several preset modes. So we support the DCI-P3, 99% DCI-P3, and Adobe RGB, sRGB, Rec 709. Yeah, we support several industry standards.
So it's really designed for video editors?
Yes.
Yeah, brilliant. So what inputs does this take as far as the sockets, the connectivity?
Okay, we support HDMI and the DisplayPort and the Thunderbolt input.
Tell me about the hardware calibration that's built into this.
Yeah. We have 2 calibration mechanisms inside. The first one is that we will pre-calibrate it in the factory to assure the quality of each monitor before we ship that. But we also provide the software for end users. After he purchasing this bag in his home, he could do calibration in home.
All right, so there's hardware built into the monitor to calibrate it?
We provide the software for them to download from the website, but they should prepare one calibrator to do that calibration.
Right, so you still need something like the X-Rite i1?
Yes, exactly. We do support the X-Rite i1 Display Pro and the Spider.
Right. Yeah. Brilliant. And when does this monitor become available?
It will be available soon in July.
Great. And do you know of a price yet?
Okay, the MSRP will be around $29.99.
Okay, brilliant. And I see you've got another portable monitor over there, so we're going to take a look at that one.
Sure.
Brilliant. So we've moved a little around the stand to take a look at the ASUS ProArt Portable version, which is the world's first 4K OLED portable display. So tell us about some of the capabilities of this one, because it looks very similar to that one in spec.
Yeah, spec-wise it's quite similar, but because thanks to OLED, we have the very thin and light form factor, so we designed it for portable, for mobile workers.
Yeah.
So according to the spec, because this is OLED, the contrast ratio is extremely high. That will reach 1 million by 1. Wow. And we also support 3 kinds of HDR format, such as HDR10, HDR-G, and also Dolby Vision.
Okay, brilliant. And it's got the same color capabilities with DCI-P3 and Adobe RGB and sRGB as the other monitor?
Yes. Yes, we do support just like PS32UCS. We support Adobe RGB, DCI-P3, sRGB, Rec 709. Yes. Okay,
and this is Type-C USB?
Yes, we also provide 2 kinds of input. HDMI, micro HDMI, and USB Type-C for display port.
Right, and it's powered over USB-C as well, yes?
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. And when is this coming available?
Almost the same time in July.
Okay, brilliant. And do you know a price for this one yet?
Yes, the MSRP will be $39.99.
Right, brilliant. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm John Aldred for DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the ASUS stand at NAB 2019, and we've just been looking at the ProArt monitors. We're going to keep looking around and see what else we can find. Don't forget to click the link in the description below, where we're giving away over $8,500 worth of cinema goodies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.